Hi, Jessica. Let me get your work going here. All right, I'm looking at it in the small window. I think this is super cool. So the more I thought about it, I'm wondering if you'll be able to see these rabbits against the brown that well. So that's another reason to consider doing this only in light colors. And then also, I love these little drawing pads. I'm thinking, how much do those cost? Oh, they're not too bad. I always think everything from this company costs so much money. But yeah, the rabbits, not sure they're going to show up so good. It's a great present though. Boy, I wish it was ethical to get pieces from students because this is a cool one to have. So I'm also going to look at but I definitely don't send me anything. All right, so is this an image? Yeah, that's not really done anymore. It's just an image. If you don't want people to see, okay, view PDF portfolio, LinkedIn, consider doing something where the text is live, and then don't have this stuff in here. Just have one of those contact windows because you don't want bots to get your address. This looks good though. Okay, I think your work is really strong. Consider putting this one up towards the front. I think it's your absolute best one. So what do we got here? Okay, I highly recommend putting in the effort of putting in next buttons because having to click back and forth, back and forth, back and forth is going to get old really quick. And honestly, it looks a little lazy. Um, And then this is kind of small. Your work is much better than small, so I highly recommend that you make it bigger. But this one, the also super small, and then you can't click on it to see the work. So, I put as much boldness into your work as your name. Like your name is really big throughout the website, but your work should be. And consider instead of a screenshot of the skull, try to get a screenshot of the type. You don't want everything to look too Halloweeny because they're going to see coffin, they're going to come down here and see skull, and then they're going to see this pin face guy. So and then didn't you have like the Ouija board thing? Yeah. So you're sending a real message of a cult, which is, interesting to have a strong perspective. However, you might be trying to get a job at like a gigantic billboard company that's going to pay you a lot of money. If the boss is like a strict Christian, they're not going to hire you. They're very, direct that way. They wouldn't say it, but they wouldn't. So keep that in mind. I think that just the advice I'm giving you is just to try to stay a little bit neutral with a work-related website. If you want to do more of um, a fine art related site, then you can be, as dramatic as you want to be. See, I can't even see your good work on here. It's so good. I hate to tell you that because you would have to make all of these pages bigger, but you really should because the work gets lost. All right, let me know if you have any questions.